Hey everyone, this is Adam from 911reviews.com. Today it's high noon in Tampa, Florida. It's the middle of grilling season. Everybody loves grilling season, but there's one thing we don't love, and that's cleaning the barbecue grill, something that I absolutely dread. So originally I had purchased this grill bot. It's a robot that's supposed to clean your grill. Absolutely horrible, bad for the environment, and just doesn't clean your grill. Now this comes to us from Outset. It is a barbecue grill brush that is the Verde Grande series, which means it's the green grillware series. This actually has a replaceable set of brushes. You just unscrew them, you can replace this, so that's very environmentally friendly. It's made with environmentally friendly farm-raised bamboo and recyclable stainless steel. The other aspect that's amazing is because it's real steel, it's sturdy, it'll clean the hell out of your barbecue grill. It is an amazing product. And it just looks stylish, right? Way better than anything I've used. It's heavy, sturdy. You can scrape with this side. You can clean with that side. It's hand washable. Don't soak it in water. Hand wash it, clean it off. It's a great product. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. And if you're kicking off your grilling season, you need your next Father's Day, birthday, Christmas present, this is a great one for you. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Adam from 911 Reviews. Check out our website. We got new videos all the time, pretty much one or two every single day this month. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.